Leon, Paul, everybody out here. All on the game. Jay out here. What's our game? Got a movie going on. This is what happened when you pull out the BP at fucking 10:30, almost 11 o'clock. The shit get fucking shut the fuck down. But it's alright. We out here with Paul and everything. Our rates over there going crazy. With that boy Leon and Civvy. GSP out here, gang.
My mommy told me to be safe.
Hey there you go, GSP, GSP, gotta get him, gotta get him. That boy Lee. This shit is fire.
This is loud. This is definitely super.
In the motherfucking city with it, gang. Oh shit. In the motherfucking city with it.
What the fuck? Why is there so much traffic?
That boy
Look at
Lee.
the time.
Look at that nigga Lee.
Look at the time.
K in the back. We over here got that cutting up. We out here cutting up. Hey, is that an M5?
That's an M5.
Is that an M5 from Vegas? Oh, Louisiana, gang.
Wild car scouting in ATL?
Car spotting in ATL, see a M5 is that no, not a competition, psych. M5, something like. Why is there so much fucking traffic in Atlanta? God damn, bro, it's fucking 12:29 at night.
Where do we live?
God damn.